Go back down. And go. Good, back down. Thank you.
So we're just here to give foot massages here at Keirobraktec. You didn't know that. We think we treat spines, but actually we're just here to take care of pregnant women's feet. Whether men fall asleep on them late at night. Nick, this one is on you. I'm expecting some great hints at some cool items coming into your shop for Marissa. Look, see, I'm bringing it to a win-win. You see that?
They have a blue diamond in right now. That's really pretty.
A blue diamond?
A blue diamond. It's very pretty. You should follow their Facebook page. They put it up right away, but they've got really nice stuff in there right now. Because with the holidays coming up, they make sure they're stocked up.
Yeah, they're going to get stocked up. So that's what we were talking about.
Is Marissa going crazy with the wedding planning?
No, not at all.
That's good.
We just got a quote. I think a quote, but then also maybe you might get this for free from my old boss for all the music gear.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so hopefully if we can eliminate that cost, which would be nice, we can actually have a band.
Yeah. Are you guys gonna do one of your guys' favorite bands? Try to see if you can get them, or are you gonna try to get a cover band? Like, what are you doing?
My old roommates from college.
Oh, okay.
A little tighter here, okay?
Yep.
Push your leg down on me. Come on, push. Good, relax. Push. Push. Relax. Push. Relax. Push. Good, relax. Relax your head. Loose. There you go. Feel good?
Yes. It always feels good.
You got it. Relax your legs. Easy. Good. I'm gonna put my hands on your hips, okay?
Do what you gotta do. Just don't roll me off the table. I can't guarantee I'll land on my feet.
Like, I'm on top of my pregnant. My mom was. I told that to her face yesterday. I was like, look, here's what I can promise you. You are not falling off this table.
I was getting out of bed this morning and I put one foot down and then I kind of fell over a little bit because I let my weight swing without being ready for it. I was like, ah! That could have been bad. Falling out of bed. It's even funnier because Nick and Athena both popped up at the exact same time. Like, are you okay? Like, I'm good.
Your people were there for you.
Yeah. I'm like, I'm good. I'm just getting out of bed. The struggle is real. But
So there's a ligament called the round ligament here. I think we've talked about this before.
yeah.
It can get a little tight and painful in this area. It's just a technique called the Weber technique. Webster technique. There's a lot of techniques out there. Basically, it's just a form of soft tissue pressure on this ligament to get it to relax. And it gets associated with like pelvic rotation or tension in the low back. And you've got a little bit of tension on the pubic symphysis, but that's more from weight bearing of the baby.
Yeah, and you said sometimes you'll show partners how to do it because the women will do it too hard, right?
Yeah, you'll sit there and just rub at it.
Yeah. It's because you just want it to go away.
Yeah, I watch you walking around with your right hand here, and I'm like, oh, she needs to get an adjustment.
It's at the point where you don't even realize what you're doing.
You don't
Sometimes
realize
you
it.
just start doing it, and you're like,
If somebody tells with patients that way too, they don't even know it, but they'll like kind of rub their shoulder when they're talking to me, and I'm like,
something wrong with your shoulder, right?
yeah. So what's going on with that left shoulder of yours? You keep rubbing that you don't even know you're rubbing. Body,
Just a reflex. No, you look like you have a short shoulder. What's going on?
There it is.
But no. I know, it's like Tanya will be at her desk, she'll start doing her like neck stretches, and I'm like, you need to go get adjusted. She's like, I will. I'm like, no, don't wait. Go get adjusted. You need it. It's obvious.
You can stare at there, God, if you're comfortable.
I'm fine.
Put your hands on your stomach. I'm gonna pull you up here a little bit.
No, it's fine.
There you go.
It actually feels good. I got my hair redone last weekend, and those shampoo girls have some strong hands. They were like rubbing my neck and my head, and I'm like sitting there, I'm like, this is nice, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna tense up after this.
No, some of them can work ahead, that's for sure. We've got a friend, and my fiance went to see her, and she's like, that was the best head massage that I've ever had in my life.
They're like, oh, pressure.
Like, oh.
Well, the salon I go to, I asked about it because like I had 3 different people end up having to wash my hair because I had to do a bunch of different things, and they were like, oh, we had somebody come in and they showed us like where the pressure points are on someone's head and where the muscles are and all that stuff.
Nice, that's
I
awesome.
was like, that is amazing.
That's good stuff. People care. All right, relax here. Let that drop away. Good. Loose. Good. Turn your head towards me. Rest. Reach across and hold on to me. Good. Breathe in. Exhale. Easy. Hold on. Breathe in. Exhale. Let it go. There you go. Turn your head towards me. Rest. Reach. I got you. Just hold. Hold. Good. Yeah. Breathe in. Easy. Roll. That's it. Good. Come on to your side. We're in the table so you can move there, okay?
Mm-hmm. Can't wait till I can get adjusted face down again. It's one of the biggest things I'm looking forward to, other than a margarita.
Like, wait, which one is first, honestly?
The margarita's probably first.
Okay.
But I also told Nick to figure out a way to bring a margarita into the hospital. So
I just want it in there. That's your only job. Do you have the margarita mix? My water broke. Grab the margarita mix.
Well, I told him, I was like, we're gonna be in Towson, so you know exactly where to get a margarita, where to get me some sushi. Go on.
Go on now. Go do your job. I did mine for 9 months.
Make it happen.
Alright, breathe in for me here. Easy exhale. Okay, moving okay. Just a little tension. Alright, let it go. Good. Let it drop. That's it. Very good. Hold up, hold up. Alright, here's the tighter side, okay?
Yep. Thank you for not grunting when you pick me up.
What? The feather that I just picked up? What are you talking about?
Don't lie.
That blanket that I just moved?
Nick grunts when he has to help me off the couch. Don't lie. He's like, oh. I'm like, don't even.
What'd you just do?
Like, you know, you could try to hide it, hold your breath, something.
Breathe in for me. Easy exhale. Breathe in. Let your shoulders roll. That's it. Okay. Good. Easy. Good. Loose, loose. There you go. Very good. Good. Come on your back. How's that feel, Connie?
It's just like this little tense spot right above where you just adjusted.
You feel it show up a little bit?
Yeah.
Here, go ahead and grab onto my hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, swing your legs that way. Come back towards me. Bring in. Breathe in for me. Easy exhale. Okay, just a little tension there. Ready? Okay. Hold up, almost done. Okay. Alright, sit up tall. Good. Rest your hand here. Bend to your right. Bend to your left. Reach up. There it is. Good. Now bend, bend, bend. There you go. Good. Go ahead again. Is that pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Go ahead and bend. There we go. Good. Easier. And slightly go here. You okay with that pressure?
Mm-hmm.
That should be right on that tight spot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, again. Yeah, if you want to see my hand contact here so people can understand what I'm doing. So there's different like more myofascial lines of tension that I'm working on in the rector spinae group in the low back. This one travels up through here. She can feel that pressure stay underneath my thumb, and it really accumulates to a lot of pressure right here. Is where discomfort is.
Mm-hmm.
Connie, would you say that's what you feel? Actually, just say what you feel.
It felt like a weird pressure spot, but like the funny thing is that as your hand moves up, it feels like it's like traveling to that spot kind of deal, but it's like becoming less as we stretch it out though.
So that's a really nice way of putting it in simple terms. She feels like a pressure spot that I'm going and finding. So she feels a tension line and it accumulates to a little bit of pressure. And then she says, as I'm working on it, it's feeling better and better. So the range of motion helps it calm down, as well as good touch. Like good touch is in gentle touch, the right pressure.
Yeah, too much pressure might make me automatically pull my elbow back, so good call on the not enough pressure thing, you know.
She got a strong elbow there. Okay, last one. Go. Connie's been patiently waiting to get worked on for a couple weeks. I kind of missed her a couple times working, so I appreciate that. Here we go, let's get that spot. It's really opening up. Easy, let the right hip drop. There you go. Okay, stand up. Connie, how do you feel?
Better. It's not there anymore.
Not there anymore? Okay. Feel relaxed?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was how, I don't know if we're doing audio, but I'm just going to act like we are. That's how I work on a patient who is pregnant, especially this far along. Taking my time, some soft tissue work where needed, making sure she's getting supportive care. She's wearing a brace now. She got a lot of pressure on the pubic symphysis, a little inflammation in that bone, that joint where the pelvis bone comes and meets in the front. Webster technique on the round ligament, gentle adjustments, happy campers. We good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Felt great.
Good. Thanks for watching.